Hey guys, it's Sejal. I thought I was watching a horror movie with a pandemic, markets crashing, lockdowns, but shit. Coronavirus or COVID-19 has taken over the whole world. Before anything, here are the precautions recommended by the World Health Organization. Please stay at home, sanitize, and practice social distancing. We have the luxury to stay at home and work from home, but for those who don't, because either they can't afford to or are in exceptional services like doctors, we must follow the protocol to do our bit. Yesterday was a Janta curfew. All of us came out in our balconies and clapped or marod our buttons to show support for people in the exceptional services. It was nice. A lot more has to be said and done in terms of actual things. My mom's a doctor and they usually don't get so much appreciation, so it was nice that everyone came together to give them their share of appreciation. But hey, let us be positive. I'm trying to look at this in the most positive way possible. Staying at home can be quite difficult for most people who are used to going out, but here are a few things that I am planning to do and have already started doing, and we'll share them with you guys as well so that you can be positive at this time where we're all just at home in this period of self-quarantine. So let's go. In daily life, usually इतने deadlines होते हैं, मुझे हर हफ्ते एक नई वीडियो डालनी होती है, तो I'm usually just working on that and some ideas that I've had in my mind, वो मैंने 2 साल से साइड में रख दिया है, तो मैं ट्राई करूँगी कि इस टाइम में I take that time to work on those 2 things and do it for fun, not for anything else. When I was going through a lot of anxiety 2 years ago, reading really helped me out. I feel that reading is actually much better than watching a movie or a show, because when you're reading, it actually allows your brain to build up the visuals in your head. So it's just a really positive exercise and it doesn't feel like you're sucking into something. Who Moved My Cheese? That's a really good book about how to deal with change. These are more like kind of adult kind of books on like personality and self-help. The other is Sapiens. Sapiens itni sahi book hai. If you haven't read it, please read it. And the most artsy, tasteful book that I'm reading these days is 2 States by Chetan Bhagat. Absolute masterpiece. I also almost picked up Eclipse, the Twilight series, which is my guilty pleasure. Abhi we have the time to sit at home and really work on our fitness. Gyms band ho gaye hain, but that's okay. There are a lot of ways you can work out at home. I used to follow a few YouTube channels that do really good workouts. One is called Blogilates, one is called Fitness Blender, and one by my friend Meher on Fire. She has really cool workouts, so I just like to follow along. Or if that's not your vibe, just dancing around in your room is also really fun. The next is my favorite, which is to chill and introspect. I try and actually do this every second week. It's not possible if someone goes to an office or on the weekends सिर्फ सोने का मन करता है, and who has the time to do that really. This is genuinely my favorite thing to do, to just take life slow, get a cup of coffee, sit, think and just relax. And you know, I feel like this is kind of the universe's way of slowing the whole world down, because all of us are always rushing, trying to meet deadlines, and the whole world was just rushing. And as terrible as this is, I feel like it's nature's way of just slowing mankind down, because everyone is just at home now and just taking life slow. Try and do this one thing every week or every 2 weeks, which I read in The Magic of Thinking Big, which is the weekly improvement program. I work for myself and I don't have a boss telling me to fix this or fix that. I only have people's comments telling me how much I suck or how good I am. So I try and make a list of things that I feel like I can better in my work, whether it's make my equipment better or how I can manage my team better, how I can manage my time better, and I try and make that list and introspect every couple of weeks so that I am sort of aware of like what I'm doing, and I love taking time to just slow down and do that. For a lot of you, this may be the first time that इतने टाइम के लिए you have to work from home, but मैं बहुत सालों से कर रही हूँ, because for my YouTube channel I've always worked from home. So it's very challenging to keep yourself motivated, and honestly बिस्तर घर में होता है, सोने का मन करता है, but I'm going to share some tips with you that I find really helpful. Number 1, you need a separate spot which is away from your bed. तो मैं अभी घर वापस आई हूँ एंड अभी मेरा कोई स्पेसिफिक रूम नहीं है इस घर में एनी मोर. मेरे पेरेंट्स ने मेरा रूम हटा दिया. सो आई वर्क फ्रॉम द डाइनिंग टेबल. एक स्पॉट मैंने ले रखा है कि मैं यहीं से काम करती हूँ. सेकेंड, ट्राई एंड डू दैट एट अ रेगुलर टाइम इन द मॉर्निंग, जो तुम वैसे ही अपने ऑफिस में करते होगे. सो आई ट्राई एंड स्टार्ट अराउंड 10 and I dress up, I comb my hair, I change my outfit because if you're in your pajamas and if you're comfortable, firstly तुम चौकड़ी मार के चेयर पे बैठ जाओगे and then you wouldn't have the motivation to work. And the third is that I find really helpful is to not eat your lunch or any meal on the table that you're working from or procrastinate. Because then that table becomes the place that you can chill at, and this table should be the place where you know as soon as you sit here you have to get serious and you have to get down to work. Other things that you can do to spend your time well is to do some spring cleaning. Clean the cupboard, clean your drawers, clean it all out. Video chat, group video chats with your family. I did that last night, which was really fun. And if you don't know how to cook already, learn how to cook. My mom has been after my life कि मैं खाना बनाना सिखाऊं, क्योंकि इतने टाइम से घर पे हम हैं ही. One thing you can do is chill with your family and get to know them. Playing tash, playing something like that together is a nice thing to do in your regular life. You don't really get time to do that. Alright guys, so I guess that is it. The situation day by day is getting so intense. Prime Minister Modi announced yesterday there will be a 21-day lockdown for the entire country. Please stay at home, please wash your hands, please sanitize yourself and be positive. Be wary of fake news that's going around on WhatsApp that's just creating a lot of panic. Please be careful of what you consume and what you tell other people. It really can help a lot. Also, thank you so much for your incredible support on my original song Aisi Hoon. I am so happy. The comment section, just the amount of views it has. Let's please get it to 1 million views. It's a song with a beautiful message. Share it. We're doing a contest called the Aisi Hoon Challenge, in which you have to draw a little black heart on your face and share your Aisi Hoon story. So I do what I do because मैं ऐसी हूँ. So share your story in the comments or tag me in a post on Instagram and I'll be going live with the two of you every now and then. So get posting and thank you so much. I'll see you soon.